what you think that we think is cool. What you think that we think is cool. What you think.
So I ordered a little Peep shirt for the 4-year anniversary of Crybay, and I'm about to open it on camera. 3007. I think this thing is so cool. Oh, there it is. Welcome back to Slightly Daily, the YouTube channel. I'm doing a different kind of video. As you can see, again, I got some really good feedback on the last unboxing video I did on the Travis Scott Fortnite merch. I'm doing another unboxing video for another artist merch. I hope you guys like these videos. I'm just trying new, different stuff, different things. I do want to say this. I'm not a fashion guru. I'm not like, the biggest fashion person in the world or, clothes. But I like clothes. I like merch. I like music. So I kind of just been on this kick lately of just kind of getting artist merch and that kind of stuff. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If you made it to this video, go ahead and leave a like and follow me at Slightly Daily on all social media platforms. I'll put it right here. Slightly Daily. Yeah, let's get right into it. I hope you guys like these unboxing videos. What do you want to see me unbox next? What would you like to see me buy and review on camera? Last week, I purchased a Lil Peep Crybay shirt for the 4-year anniversary of his Crybay project mixtape. I got it yesterday, okay? So the first bit of this video, I actually filmed yesterday. Today is Sunday. I filmed the first bit Saturday, and I just didn't end up filming this unboxing right here. So I'm doing it now. It's Sunday. You probably wouldn't have even noticed, even if I didn't do it. So let's get right into it. I ordered this last week, and it got here pretty fast actually. It took like 5 business days, I think. And like I said about the Travis drop, it took 2 whole months, and I didn't think I was gonna get it. So here we are. Lil Peep, rest in peace. Crybay, the 4-year anniversary of Crybay. I paid a reasonable price for this. It actually wasn't that expensive. Yeah, Lil Peep is just such a great artist. Alright, so here's the receipt. So just looking in, you can see that there's a card in here. Okay, so this is all that's in it. The shirt itself, and then there's a card here. Okay, I'll read the card. That's pretty cool. I'll read this card to you. It says, Gus left behind legions of fans and an amazing body of work. He left us all with a message. Be yourself, even if it hurts sometimes, because you are loved. Gus was smart, brutally honest, and at the same time kind and tender. We are glad you have come to visit his family's website. We may be a small family, but we are strong, and we are committed to keeping Gus's legacy alive. We are committed to honoring Gus's music and to sharing with his fans some of the stories from his childhood, some of his work, and some of his designs. We have made this design especially for his fans. We hope you enjoy it. Oscar and Liza. Estate of Gustav Elijah R. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm definitely going to keep this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to keep it. So, let's get into it. So this is what it looks like in the package. It's a white tee. It's kind of ironic because the song White Tee. I ordered a large. What I am going to do in this video as well is I'm going to actually put it on so maybe people can see. I'm 5'10". I'm not that tall. I'm kind of skinny. So maybe other people who ordered this and haven't got it yet maybe you can kind of look at mine and be like, okay, it fits him like that. So, material feels good. 100% cotton. Machine wash cold, no bleach, tumble dry low, do not iron, made in Mexico. So this is the square. Looking on the back. That logo is really cool. I've never seen that before. And then you can see the Crybay logo. Let me go ahead and just open this bad boy up. Wow. It looks a little big, but it's fine. The Crybay logo is pretty crisp. You can see the tears on the bird. It's really cool. And then, only other thing that's on this is on the back. The bottom here, it says, I don't know what it says actually. Shining Star, officially authorized merchandise, estate of Gustav Elijah R. So yeah, this is the stamp of authenticity for anything Lil Peep. So if you don't see this on Lil Peep's merch, then you're a scumbag and you're fucking buying bootleg merch from Lil Peep. So yeah, here's the, one more time, front. Logo on the tag again, and then back. So yeah, I guess now I'm going to just take a couple pan videos of me with the shirt on.
Let me guide you to a place where no one hurts you. You are safe here with me. Team romance.